welcome back to Shannon Gibson Art and Designs. And today for Metallics in Motion, part 5, we're going to do a flip cup. In metallics, of course, except for the burnt sienna and the white, which is acrylic flow, Artist Loft acrylic flow. This is FolkArt. No, sorry, Craftsmart. Aquarium blue. So pretty. The burnt sienna, which I love because I love burnt orange. And I have accents of burnt orange, burnt sienna in my home. And that's Artist Loft. And this here is 14 karat gold by FolkArt. I'm also not pouring on a canvas today. This is tile. Leftover tile. I played with it before. Wasn't happy with it. So I figured, why not do it on the tile today? So let's load up the cup. I think first, what I wanted to do was a little bit of the burnt sienna. Show you guys what it looks like. Looks pretty good to me. Alright, so deep breath, guys. Tappity tap. Why tappity tap? To release the air at the top. Some people take like a push pin and pop it after a couple seconds. I don't do that. I just tap it for a few seconds. Stop. Just kind of let it move. It's kind of slowly sliding here on the tile. And then I just try to release the suction. Probably not as fast as that. But wow, are you guys seeing it? Ooh. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? I know I get so excited even before I tilt, but, oh, let me grab my crazy torch. Big bubbles. Big bubbles. The white is almost nowhere to be found. But that's all right. We'll see what happens when we tilt. Okay, guys. What a pretty cup. Even if my paint is over here, ooh, that burnt sienna is just trying to manipulate this so that I can get it where I want it. I ran out of gloves too. Very unhappy. Very unhappy. Oh, and I can't tell you how annoyed I get with having to clean off my hands. Sometimes it's unavoidable. I've even had it where my gloves were just so soaked through that I ended up getting the paint on my hands anyway. But it's all worth it in the end. Wow. Wow, guys. Yep. Probably noticed that in different videos as well. I have a very bad habit of being non-aware that my hands have paint on them. And then what do? I end up running my hands over the paint, leaving drops. Sometimes it doesn't do anything. I can tilt it off, no harm, no foul. Sometimes it ruins a painting. So, yell at me, watch your hands. Okay. Oh, this part over here is just woohoo. Move this back. Yeah, no white. The white is all on my hands, guys, as you can see. That is where the white is at. So far, this is my favorite corner over here. Back up. I really love that, but unfortunately, it looks like it's going. Oh, let's help you get there. Okay. What? Go the other way. Alright, I'm really not feeling it. I'm loving this kind of color shift look over here in the left corner. I'm hating what's going on the right. Yep, so there's no more point of wasting my time. I'm going to wet a piece of paper towel, and then I'm going to swipe it. We're going to see what happens. Well, guys, here it is. This is what the finished tile looks like now, after the flip cup gone wrong. I finished off with the copper, some leftover copper I had. FolkArt, I added my, of course, go-to beautiful silver, and those colors obviously go well together. All the metallics, the neutral metallics look great together. Copper being one of my least favorite though. There's so many variations to the color, and copper versus antique copper, both by FolkArt, I prefer the copper over the antique copper. And I just wanted to get rid of what I had left. What do I think? Not happy with it. So it's probably going to be re-poured on, or just left as it is, gone with the other pile of oopses through my learning process. And that will be it. So like usual, you guys let me know what you think. I always want to know. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next part of the Metallics Emotion series. Bye.